Hi, this is Steve from Kemp Construction. I just want to show you what happens when a house is not done properly in terms of the sheathing and the flashing. This home was built back in the 70s, and I'm just going to point out a few things here. These are things we deal with when we open up an older home that's not been properly protected. To start off, we only have 3/8 sheathing. The standard today is 1/2 inch. And you can see that the water penetrated through the siding and right into the sheathing, which then soaked the framing of the house. So if you have a closer look, you can see that the wood that is forming the framing of the house, the structure of the house, is completely rotted out. This happens over time when the envelope is leaking. The water simply gets transferred deeper and deeper into the building to the point where it starts to rot. The new rain screen process that we're doing now eliminates almost all of this kind of event happening, because there's a breathing layer between what the weathering side of the building is getting and separates